recording start. Great. So, see, this is where we were. So, we just created a Hello World Android project. So, now what I'm going to do is I'll create different modules for different parts of the code. That's it. Okay. First will be your work, and this will be a Java module. No, first will be features, and first I'll make features. So, and this will have all the screens. So this is add. Then I'll have. Okay, I'll not let me make a new module until unless I've. Why? I think I have to change something. The last time I changed something in build to have yeah, this is on. Never mind. Should you? No. Okay, so how I decided basically is I'm using ChatGPT very insanely. So yeah, if you can see, I learned a lot, and I finally decided I'll go up with this. So this core is pretty much the common module where like when I'm making API calls and all, I'll have data classes, and those data classes and things like that will end up going in the core module. The network one I'll have I mean, I'm not going to follow the second. This is just a reference, or maybe this is more like confirming or checking what I'm going to do. So, although retrofit or Ketor, would I put it in a network module? Now, what I was confused about was if I was thinking I'll work in data, I'll just make one module, and domain I'll make one. But I think this is also not bad. So yeah, so I'll put, and we'll see as it goes along. I'll know what I'll do, but I'll put retrofit a Ketor code with routes and while here. Then I think repositories, because I'll cache it also. So I may put a lot of the caching logic here, but I'll have to put that in the domain. Like domain will have all the use cases. So I'll figure that out. I'm really not sure about it right now, but we'll see, because storage is obviously there, and storage will have room and data store files. So Yeah, this common UI is not going to be there. I'll put it in core only because it's not that big of an app. And I think if I go beyond it and I make this, then it'll just I'll learn bad practices. So uh, yeah, so network, data domain. This is core and common. App is already there. Features if I think I've made. Yeah, in this I'll put all the screens and yeah, the summary is here. So core, core will I think also be uh, mm, this network will not be. I think network will only be Java and Kotlin. Yeah, and I don't know. I think I probably just have interfaces and stuff. So the implementation I'll put it somewhere else. Let's see. Then this is the first time whenever I'm doing something, it'll take a lot of time, and then it kind of becomes easier. What's this? Oh, okay, yes. I was planning on doing this, so I wrote it down. Then I was like, let me just look. चल गया रहा है. Okay, so where were we? We had there is core, features, network, new this will be data add domain. I think as storage also I'll not make I mean I'll make it as Android library only because I'll be using Room, but Room also gives me an option to not for it to not really be tied down to Android as such. It can be independent of Android. The Room gives me that. Data store also I think gives me that. So let me okay, what else there in the first? Let's go the data domain, features, network, storage. Storage actually just can be. I'll change it if, as usual, inevitably I get into trouble. What am I forgetting? Data domain storage. Common UI I'm not doing anyways, features I've done. Okay, awesome. So there is app core. Okay. Now what I'll do is splash screen I'll implement. That I'll do it in the app module. And some of the navigation code I'll put it in core or app. I think these things I'll decide as I go along, and I'll probably change it also. So when the final code will have what I eventually decide. So yeah, nothing much here to be actually. I'll just end it fast. See ya. Stop.